Now, what kind of color arrangements are you interested in having? Because you have every color you could possibly imagine. You can have colors that are pink and ruffled with a totally different center, green to yellow, which is absolutely spectacular. Then you could have this little tiny small flower that might come with clumps of 3 or 4 together. Now that looks very nice indeed. And oftentimes what I will always try to do is put kind of a neutral color in between them. And it kind of blends them all together. Now I'm picking the heads off of these plants because, as I told you before, they're only going to last a day. So tomorrow they'll all be gone. So if you want to mix and match your flowers, what I oftentimes do is I'll just take the heads off of them and I'll put them together and see how they work well. Now if you think this might be too small, or you decide, oh, this one might sit better by itself, then you just put that away and maybe find a totally different color. Like even this kind of a red here that might look nicely with them too. So you can color schemes any way that work for you. If you like just the pale ones, you might take a peach, find a yellow color, and work them out because everybody does have their own individual tastes.